Hi everyone, I'm Edipo Kleber, an architect. And at the beginning of the year, everyone wants to refresh their home, change decorative items, make that change in the layout, maybe in the living room, the bedroom, the kitchen, the bathroom. And there's nothing better than adding decorative items to your makeover. However, beautiful modern decorations that are affordable and cost-effective for you, that's great. Everyone wants to decorate their home, change things up, and spend very little. And in this video, I want to show you a list of products that I picked out for you. The famous great finds, as a lot of people like to call them here on the internet, that will help you find decorative products. From the kitchen, living room, bedroom, your bathroom, your TV room, your balcony. Why not, right? So, in this list here, I prepared for you. I'm going to show you both the website where you can buy and also these decorative products, which range from a simple vase, okay, that you can put on top of your sideboard there in the entrance hall, even a chandelier that you can have in your dining room, or a pendant light that you can have in your bedroom, a bedside table, that side table, also the side table by the sofa, which is also very common for us to see, right? Sophisticated pieces, but as I told you, with great value, with affordable prices compared to the same products you see on very expensive websites, which can cost 1, 2, or even 3,000 Rs. These products I picked out for you here, no, they're the famous great finds, okay? And so I don't drag this video out too much. The whole list and all the links where you can access and find these products are down below in the description of this video. Okay? I've already picked them out. I've already done all the hard work. Let's put it that way. I've made it super easy for you. It's all down here in the description of this video. The links, the names of the products, okay? And where you can buy them, all right? This is a really cool video here by your request. I got a lot of comments here like, where's that video? Talking about affordable products, beautiful products, decorative items so we can decorate our home, but with great value for money, right? Decor items. Where's that video, Ed? Here it is. It's a specific video, a short video for you guys, real quick, just to show you where you can buy these products with great value for money, spending very little and creating beautiful modern decor that you see on magazine covers, that you see in soap operas, but you don't have to pay those outrageous prices that we see out there. Here in this list, there are really low prices that you can find on reliable websites, okay? I'm going to show you on websites, for example, Mercado Libre and Amazon, which are the two main ones I recommend. You, our followers here, whenever I recommend a decorative product and where you can buy it, I always mention it here. Through Mercado Libre or Amazon, which are the two sites I also like to buy my things from, and I recommend you buy from these two sites as well because they're safe, okay? Are there other sites? Yes, there are several out there, but I recommend what works for me, what is safe for me, okay? I can recommend, but I'm not going to recommend another platform that I'm not used to buying from, okay? And suddenly there could be some problem. Then you come here and say, hey Ed, I bought it, but it didn't arrive, or it arrived with a problem and so on, right? We're subject to that. Not that Mercado Libre and Amazon can't have these issues, but they're sites I've been buying from for many years and they're reliable, okay? So down here in the description of this video for you guys, there's a quick little video showing this list of products you can get to decorate your home without spending much. I hope you enjoy and like these products I picked out for you, and I'll see you in our next video. Big hugs.